Hi, this is a project that I'm doing with my son, and it's a, what would you call it, Adam?
I would say, I don't really know. I mean, like, I can't really come up with a name, like a perfect name for it. Because it can be a lot of things.
Yeah, it's something kind of like a snow globe,
Yeah.
kind of like
like a,
like a tornado type thing too. Like, go ahead and give it a stir.
All right, so this is 3 teaspoons, I think. Yeah. All right. So if we give it a stir,
Teaspoons of glitter.
and it does that. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to like look really cool.
You can see the little tornado going on there.
Yep. And I'm just adding.
And then Adam's adding more glitter. We're having a glitter party over here.
Yeah, we are.
Glitter party.
Yes. All right, let's add this, and then we'll probably be done.
And adding more glitter, and then stirring it up.
I don't know. I think that's
And
good.
there you have it, people. It's your own mix, your own hurricane mix of glitter. It makes a tornado. That's pretty cool. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Don't you think that's enough glitter?
I think so. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.